This is my TATA Tiago 2018 top end variant exit model. So recently I bought this Woodman system, and previously I was having a Harman music system, and that music system was not having any touchscreen kind of thing. So I was thought of buying one touchscreen system. After a lot of analysis, I came to know about this Woodman system, and especially in this price range, they were giving a lot of features and applications. So anyhow, I bought this system just a week back. Now I have installed this in my car. Overall, it is giving a very premium look inside the cabin, and I just removed the head unit and I just replaced with this Woodman system. So let me show you some demo of this system. The screen which you are seeing is what the home screen of this system, Ahama launcher. And if you see, this is the very attractive thing which is in the middle. If you select, you will be having a lot of options over here. This is for selecting the logo. Suppose if you select that option, the logo of your car will display over here. So for changing the logo, you have to go to the settings and then Tata, there you'll get a lot of stickers over here. So it depends upon your car. Whatever you want, you can select. Suppose here I'm selecting Jaguar. You can see Jaguar image over here. Yes. The next thing is clock. If you select the clock, your clock will be displayed over here. And then speed. If you move your car, your speedometer reading will be displayed over here. And then music, the background music will be played over here. You'll be having compass also, and then navy, the maps and everything will be displayed over here. I haven't used this one yet, but I think this will be also a good option. Okay, and actually I'm using this auto option. So in auto option, what you will get is like, see, these are some constraints over here. We have starting the launcher. Suppose if you switch on the music system, it will show you our car logo for certain seconds, and then if the car is standing, it will display the clock widget. Suppose if your car is moving, it will display the speedometer widget. And these last two things I don't know, but anyhow I'm using this option. This is very good actually when compared to other things. Okay, this is what the things about that middle display. And everyone is very much interested to know about the video quality of this touchscreen system. Already I have attached my USB with this system. Now I'm directly playing a song here. If you see here, already I have installed MX player and VLC player. Suppose if your Woodman system is having DSP, what I would suggest is like you have to use this default video player, because I will show you here. See, because you will get the equalizer settings inside that application itself. Suppose if you are playing this video in MX player, you won't get that settings, because then you have to come out and you have to open the DSP settings, and then you have to change whatever the thing that you need. If you want Dolby, you can set Dolby. If you want SRS, you can set SRS, and if you want more bass, you can set more bass, and BB is also there. I don't know about that settings. Yes, then let me show you some other options also. For example, let's see, I'm playing the same video in MX player. If you see, just taking a bit time. See, if you see here, you won't get any equalizer settings over here. So again, you have to come back like this. You have to go to apps, and if you want to control DSP settings, then you have to again go to your DSP settings, and then you have to control it. So that's why I was always preferring to use that inbuilt video app, especially for playing videos and music. So that that's all for videos and video clarity. And apart from that, this is our application tab. This is how it looks like. I have installed MX Player and SoundTune. This was an Pioneer made application. Cygic for navigation, and we have Wink Music and VLC. We have YouTube. I'm opening YouTube. It will take a bit some time. Oh, sorry, I haven't switched on my Wi-Fi. Anyhow, it will work smooth, no issues. I've been using this one for the last 2 days, no problem. Apart from that, I don't have any concerns about this system. System is really very good, but the only thing is, like, in my car I was having a JBL inbuilt factory fitted speakers. So those who are having a TATA Tiago exit variant, these people, if you are planning to buy this Woodman system, please install amplifier along with this Woodman system. I was planning to install amplifier also for this system. I haven't fixed it. That gives much more punchy basses, and mid-range bass and treble and everything will come good. So that's all about the review of this Woodman system. Thank you.